Hey everyone! So today I'm showing you how to create smooth slow motion effects in CapCut on PC. If you want those cinematic speed ramps where your video smoothly slows down and speeds back up, this is super easy. Let's get started. Alright, first thing, open CapCut on your PC and load your project. Drag your video clip onto the timeline at the bottom. Now, click on the video clip on the timeline to select it. You'll see a white border around it. Okay, look at the right side panel. You'll see several editing options like split, audio, and speed. Click on Speed. Here's the thing. You'll see two tabs, Standard and Curve. The Standard tab lets you change the overall speed of your video, but we want smooth slow motion, so click on Curve. In the Curve tab, you'll see preset templates like Montage, Hero Moment, and Bullet Time. These are pre-made speed curves that create smooth transitions from normal speed to slow motion and back. Try clicking on a preset like Hero Moment. You'll see a curve graph appear at the bottom. This shows how your video speed changes over time. You can customize the curve by dragging the points on the graph. For example, drag the middle down to create a slow motion section, and the video will smoothly slow down, then speed back up. If you want full control, select Custom at the top. Then click on the curve to add points and drag them up for faster speed or down for slower speed. Preview your video by pressing play. Adjust the curve until you get the perfect smooth slow motion effect. And that's it. You've created smooth slow motion effects in CapCut PC. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.